To maintain office productivity and gain a competitive edge, most businesses often invest in must-have new technology and top-rated office equipment. Home offices can benefit from tech optimizations too. The good news is that you can get many of the top office gadgets without breaking the bank. Having a cozy and high-tech office equipped with cool desk gadgets isn't a dream anymore, because in this video you will see some of the must-have office gadgets in every price range, including under $100, $200, and $300. These office desk gadgets are not only for software engineers or someone who is in the tech industry, but also for everyone from mechanical engineers to designers and artists. These gadgets are high-tech accessories that we carefully selected for you. Our picks are unique thanks to their usefulness, features, and reviews. So, if you find this video interesting, please share it with your friends and colleagues. Number 5. Trio Portable Dual and Triple Screen Laptop Monitor. Today, with the advancement of silicon technology, laptops have become thinner than ever. Not only can you travel with your laptop, but also with its accessories like a portable monitor. One such accessory is Trio, a triple monitor system for your laptop. This revolutionary product features up to 3 screens that will offer you efficient multitasking as well as boost your productivity. Whether you are a stock trader, gamer, coder, entrepreneur, student, or even a working professional, the portable dual-screen laptop monitor is the answer to flawless multitasking. These monitors will effortlessly magnetize to your laptop such that you can easily use them on the go. Number 4. TickTime Physical Countdown Timer. If you want to improve the quality of your life and improve productivity, then you need a time manager. With TickTime, you have a productivity gadget that helps you to focus on what is important in an efficient way with minimal distractions. TickTime offers 3 ways to count time: preset countdown, customized countdown, and start to count. With preset countdown, you do not have to start the countdown again, you only need to flip it. For customized countdown, you have the freedom to set the time the way you want. That means you can do it manually. On the other hand, start to count allows you to start timing from 0 up to a maximum of 99 minutes and 99 seconds. Number 3. Everpolar EverChill Portable Air Conditioner. Everpolar EverChill is one of the best and the worthiest gadget you can ever get under $100. This portable air conditioner is probably the only portable AC that looks good, is feature-packed and extremely affordable. Having a personal AC like this has a ton of advantages. One of them is portability. This gadget can humidify, clean, and cool the air around you. It is ultra portable and can fit in your backpack or luggage. EverChill looks super clean and aesthetic on any table. The LED lights at the back make it look sick. It utilizes their proprietary filtering and cooling mechanism, which can efficiently provide the air conditioning for up to 9 hours on a single water refill. So you can literally fill it with water before you go to sleep and wake up fresh and active. Number 2. Prima 1080p Pocket Projector. What if you could carry a projector in your pocket? We have a cool pocket projector for you. It's called Prima. This portable projector can screen projection of up to 200 inches, that too in HD. One of its kind, the Prima 1080p HD Pocket Projector enhances every moment into a priceless experience. Created using the DLP technology, Prima is ideal for use across different contexts, providing the same level of excellence even when you have low lighting. With a battery life of up to 3 hours, Prima can stream your business presentation on a single charge. The significance of Prima Pocket Projector is simply unparalleled since it spreads beyond the home. From student to business owner, you can now work on your presentations effortlessly anytime, anywhere. Its slim build and lightweight makes it highly portable, thus you can pocket it wherever you go. Number 1. Air Omni 6-in-1 Charging Station. We came across this new gadget called Air Omni by Pitaka. This is a multi-purpose device charging station that can charge up to 6 devices simultaneously. It is made of aramid fiber with a carbon fiber look, is very lightweight and aesthetically pleasing. It has a convertible Type-C and Lightning connector so that it is compatible with the iPhone as well as Type-C support devices. Everything is fast charging, so you get the maximum juice in the minimum time period. It can only charge Apple Watch but supports both Samsung and Apple earbuds. The Qi wireless charging surface can power up to 10 watts and the regular wired output is 18 watts PD charging. This 6-in-1 charging hub is a wonderful gadget for Apple users. This covers our top 5 smart and useful gadgets for your office. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest uploads. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.